This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kari Ross. Absolutely fabulous. Spacious 5-bedroom open floor plan home with beautifully updated kitchen and bathrooms. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and pantry. Newer HVAC, 2016, roof and flooring. Freshly painted throughout. Featuring large first floor bonus room, laundry room, plenty of closet/storage space. Large privacy fence backyard great for relaxing or entertaining. Centrally located near town center, beaches, bases and shopping. This is a beauty. Hurry, it won't last. Neighborhood has a community pool, tennis court, and playground. For more information, review the details below.